Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick review of the Feadog Pink whistle in D. I'm going to start with a sound sample and then I'll give you some specifications on the whistle. So this is the pink Feadog whistle in D. As you can see, it's a brass whistle, but it's been coated in this gorgeous, cute pink colouring. This whistle also comes in a variety of other colours, which I'll put up on screen now. Black, red, blue, green, you name it. So whatever your personality or preferences, there is a Feadog whistle coloured to suit you. It also comes in a plain brass, which I'll be showing you guys in another video, and they also make a pro version as well. This particular whistle, as I said, is brass. It's got a straight bore. It produces quite a nice loud sound, great for sessions, playing with other instruments as well. It's easy to warm up, plays well in key, and it's got this nice, soft, smooth tone to it, but it has got a little bit of cut. So if you are playing with other instruments, you're not going to sort of drift away in the distance. You will actually be heard. So that is good news. At the top of the whistle, we've got a molded black plastic mouthpiece here. And we've also got the little Feadog sticker on the front there. Hope you guys can see that. But yeah, as I said, great whistle for beginners and for anybody who just needs to grab a whistle quickly and take it with you. It's sturdy, it's robust, it plays really well. So yeah, definitely can't go wrong for the price. Now, with regard to the notes, everything plays in tune, as I mentioned. There's a good range of volume on the lower notes. Some whistles do tend to be a little bit quieter or weaker on the lower notes. This particular whistle is very nice. Also plays smoothly and sweetly in the top octave, which is good news. It also comes nicely boxed, so it makes a great little gift as well. It also comes with a little song sheet, so you guys get some things that you can play immediately when you order your whistle, which I think is a really nice touch. Now, I did mention last week that I would have a discount code for you guys, and I do. So if you head over to the Feadog website, www.feadog.ie, you guys can get 5% off any Feadog whistle using my coupon code, which is QTPie5. How amazing is that? I've put all the links in the description below, so do check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Until next week, happy whistling.